I wanted to talk about these locking drawer slides. We're inside of one of my construction trailers, and I use these all over the place because when you're in a moving vehicle, you need the locking mechanism if you want to add drawer functionality to stuff. Now, these drawers slides come in 150, 250, and 500 pound capacities. This 151, it extends fully and locks in place, and then it will close back and lock in the closed position. So I use these more lighter duty ones for these organizers that I have inside the trailer. It locks in place so I can do what I want to do, and then I can put it back and not worry that it's going to spill all over my trailer during transit. Now for the higher capacity drawer slides, I have a 250 pound one that holds our refrigerator freezer for in here for my employees so they can have cold drinks and refrigerated lunches during the day. And then we have a 500 pound drawer slide, and this is the heaviest duty drawer slide I have ever seen. You know, I'm over 200 pounds. I can step in here when it is extended. The wood is honestly going to break before this drawer slide is going to give out. So I think it's really a great option if you're looking to put any sort of drawer functionality, sliding functionality inside of any moving vehicle. These are the things to pick up.